Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is aka Flossy. Today we're going to talk about the unboxing of my Casio GTR G-SHOCK. So it's my first time reviewing the watch in English, so it's probably not that good, but hope you like it. And I looked it up, I didn't find any decent review on this GTR watch by owner of the GTR. Yeah, I have a GTR Nismo. It's a 2017 model, and this is the 1/18th scale of the GTR. This is the Nismo key. I don't know, it kind of goes with the vibe of this watch. And I'm going to do the unboxing of this package. Actually, this package came from my brother, little brother. He lives in Japan, and you cannot buy this watch from the internet. They don't ship it on international. So I had to ask my little brother who lives in Japan for getting this. He paid 1,400 yen for the shipping, so it's quite expensive shipping. And the product itself was costing him like 19,800 yen, so which approximately 200 US dollar. So that's quite expensive. And for the G-SHOCK itself, this is my second time G-SHOCK. I had a Mudman during my military time. This is my second G-SHOCK, and I've never seen it in person. This is my first time unboxing the box, so I'm quite excited about it. This is a collector's item. Nissan limited this item 1 per person till September 1st, I think, I remember. And then they raised it to the 2 per person. Then it went sold out right now. So I don't think you can buy the Nissan's web store. So it's sold out, I guess. So the premium will go up, but I'm going to wear it since I think this G-SHOCK goes vibe with my car, so I think it's gonna be legit to wear it. So I'm going to shoot the video of unboxing it. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. But I rarely use English at the moment, so I don't know. I use too much Korean. Oh, let's go for it. Okay, so let's go for unboxing it. Open the box, and there's air caps all around it. There's a receipt for it. It's a box 100 yen, and my brother paid 19,800 yen for it. So there's a receipt. And let's move this air cap. Remove the box. Yes, this is the G-SHOCK box. Let's open it. These bubbles are not important. So here it is. Yeah, it's from the Nissan group. So KWA2003L00, quantity of 1, genuine parts. I'm so super excited about it. So let's go for it. I don't know if I keep it with this original vinyl, how do you say, plastic bag, it might keep the value very well, but it should be okay. So this is the box. You see the part number, KWA, whatever, blah, blah, blah. It's made in Japan, and Nissan Motor CO company, blah, blah, blah. So this is the packaging. It's nothing special, actually. The paper itself is kind of cheap, so yeah. Let's open it. Ooh. I see the tin case. There's a manual. Actually, this model itself is for Japanese model, so it doesn't come with any English. It's everything in Japanese. So there's a warranty card, but this is not important for me. The model number is 3230, but anyway, that's nothing important. The important thing is this box. Yeah, look at it. So beautiful. Everything like carbon fiber looking, because the Nismo or GTR, they comes with a lot of carbon fiber parts. So let me open it. Open it. There's protections going on. There's a G-SHOCK with the vinyl. Wow. Already see the red and black. The color of GTR. Yes. It already have the time going on. So beautiful. Yeah. You see the GTR on the back? Looks stunning. Actually, it looks better in person because this matte black and the matte red looks really good. Goes with the NISSAN logo very well. Yeah. Or with this kind of accessories, they match very well, right? Yeah. It really go for the GTR owners. And when you light it up, you see a sort of a GTR logo in the background. Kind of see that? Yeah? Jeez, that looks fantastic. Yeah, this is the watch for GTR owners, so let me wear it. Okay. It's not that big. It's just regular G-SHOCK. So it's very light, nimble, and agile. Yeah, it looks very good. The quality itself is really rigid, like as a regular G-SHOCK. And when you look at it, there's a the autofocus doesn't work that well, but there's a Casio logo on it. Here's a logo of Casio. And black and red. When you take this cover off from the G-SHOCK, the inner shell is red. So they really cared about the detail. And you see half and half, black and red. And all the buttons here and there. Looks really good. I really love it. So here we go with the specification. It comes with the original can case, and the length is 5.3 centimeter, width 5 centimeter, and thickness of 1.8 centimeter. So it's not that big watch, and the water resistant to 20 bar, and it have an impact resistant structure, and it have the function of the stopwatch, electronic sound alarm, fully automatic calendar, and the backlight, and it have a inorganic glass. I don't know what that means, but it have that, and it have a 12 or 24-hour display as like a regular digital watch, and it's made in Japan. The factory watches comes with a factory setting battery, so the watch itself die really quick, so you have to change the battery. Hope you liked watching this video. I don't know, I'll try to not make it super boring, but kind of boring, I guess. The tempo was kind of slow. If you want to hear about more GTR stories, I would like to share them in English. So if you're a speaker of English, please comment below and let me know I should do with English or Korean. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back later soon. Bye.